the other thing is that you should know the order flow. Okay, now how I knew the order flow is bullish from here, from 25 March. If you go on daily time frame, okay, and if it's a 25 March right over here, we can see that price has taken what? Price has taken this low, right? So when price has taken this low like this, so from this day, from 24 February, I am bullish every day. I can take loss on this day, also on this day, or I can take a loss on this day. But the thing is, the percentage of getting a good bias, okay, the percentage of getting a correct daily bias will be higher, because I can see on daily time frame it has taken the low from here, and now from this 24 February I will be looking for buys on smaller time frame till it, and my bias is bullish on smaller time frame. I can take sell also in this type of, but that will be a scalping. Okay, that will be not like a holding trades for 6 or 7 hours. It will be only for 1 hour. Okay, but when it goes and takes this low, so we know that this was making a relative equal lows, and it went down, took all the stop losses, and made a fool of the people, those who were thinking that market would fall down from here. They thought that this is a breakout. No, it's not a breakout, it's a stop loss hunt right over here. So from this day I'm bullish, and when I knew that when market will go and hit this high, okay, then I will switch from bullish bias to what? Bearish bias. Okay, so now on this day also, see, on this day also market went up, on this day also market went up, on this day also market went up, and see, this candle's lows are not taking this previous candle's low, right? This was an inside bar, like the market was inside of this candle's range, but see, this candle was also high, this candle didn't took the low of this candle also didn't took the low of this candle. Okay, and this candle also, and this one, this, and these were the days when it took the previous day's low, so this can be a losing days. But the thing is, see what happens after that. It goes and hits that high. Okay, and now why this high was important, if you can look it closely, the setup which I told you in 50, which you can use in 15-minute time frame, you can use it over here also. We can see that there was a break and retest right over here, right? It was a break and then a retest, and market fell down. All the traders can see this break and retest. All the people, those who are on trading view, they can see that this is a break and retest. Okay, and now I know that the guys, those who do swing trading, they took the sell from here, and now they see that they are in profit till over here, so they will do break even, right? So their break even stop loss will be right over here, and now I know that there will be a lots of liquidity above of this high. So that's why when price went up and hit this high, I switched my bias from bullish to bearish from here. Okay, and now I think so that market will go down and take this low. Okay, it can go and take this low, and then I will wait for some time and I will see that what's going on. But this what happens if it goes down and takes it. But see, I will be bearish whole day. Okay, on this day also I took a loss, but the thing is, I will be bearish till the price goes and takes this low. Okay, but I can take losses in some days on 15-minute chart. Yes, I can take, but the thing is, the overall I can make profit from this. And so the bias was bullish. Okay, so that's why on 25 March, on 25, the bias is bullish. That's why I look for a buy over here. Okay, and why I look for a sell over here, because price, the bias was bullish, because on 1h time frame, on 1h time frame it went below of these two relative equal lows. Okay, so now price went up, and now I am looking for sells, because I told you that price has taken this high. I took a buy over here. Okay, why? Because price was below of these two relative equal lows right over here, and when it went up, filled this whole gap, and now I see, okay, filled this whole gap. So now what's the order flow? Bearish. So now I looked for a bearish trade today. Okay, over here. So this is a pattern which I'm trying to explain, and this happens on some other charts also. And see, this pattern will not work if you're against the order flow. Okay, so now look at over here, this was also a break and retest, and now we know that there will be a stop losses below this. But what happens, it kept on falling and it's going down. Okay, so that's why it's important to know the bias. Otherwise this setup will not work. Any setup will not work if you don't know the higher time frame bias. or like a short-term trend. And how you will get the short-term trend? From a higher time frame narrative. If you have a higher time frame, if you have a 1h time frame narrative that it's bearish, and then you can look for sales on 15-minute or 5-minute. Okay, so that's how it works.